Okay, so you can call me crazy. The other teachers and students call me crazy because this weekend what did you do this weekend? I looked at my snot, okay? And so this is how I did it. And why did I do it? It's been a bit cold, and so I've been getting a little bit of, when I'm blowing my nose, getting a little bit of blood. And so I'm just wondering, could that be cancer? Um, and so I thought, well, why don't I just have a check? All right, so I grabbed some mucus, put it in a test tube, put some methylene blue on that. Just get that from an aquarium shop. You get test tubes from just from Amazon. Um, and I just put a few drops in there because that stains up. I'm using gloves because it's carcinogenic, because it stains up DNA. So you don't chemicals that go in there and stick to your DNA are not a good thing. Although it's a medicine for fish, and then I just try and break up the mucus a little bit. It's not very technical, and then I just it stains pretty much straight away. It stains up DNA. So what I'm looking for is you can see just cells that don't look right. It's nuclei that aren't the same size, the right size and the right shape. So I'm looking for maybe squamous cell cancer. So it should be a really small dot inside a large cell. And if there's huge nuclei in epithelial skin cells, then I'm in trouble. So I just put that onto the slide there. And then I put a cover slip on. And then I'm good to go. And then I just look that up under the microscope. And so under the microscope, I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't really do any research. I was just going to see what was there. And so since then, I've looked up that this is quite common. The cells look a little bit small. There's just a stack of white blood cells. So all the nuclei are sort of the same. They look like neutrophils. They're often three-lobed. There'd be other cells in there too, but neutrophils are the most common ones in mucus, and that's for allergic reactions. And the first line of defense for infections. They look fairly uniform. The DNA the shapes and sizes are all consistent. So the long and short of it is it doesn't confirm I have cancer. All right? Doesn't say I don't have it. I can't see anything there that's obvious. There's no skin cells at all. I was hoping to see a few normal skin cells. And then if it was cancerous, you might be able to see some abnormal ones, like this slide here. And admittedly, this is a pap smear. You can see the large nuclei, irregular nuclei, lots of nuclei. But epithelial cells are everywhere, so you could still see it. And so that looks altogether normal. Okay, so